Hello, everybody. Welcome. This is Module 2 for Pharmacology. We're going to be discussing the routes of administration in this module. So this one is in depth, guys. The next couple modules are very in depth. I wanted to give you a heads up on that. So please do be prepared. This is a medication administration techniques. So make sure that you go into the introduction and resources, you review everything. Okay, so this is getting you ready on administering medications, how to prevent medication errors. And you'll see there are some repeats on my videos and my information. That is intentional because I want you to go over it more than once. Pharmacology, again, guys, this is a 3-unit course. It is in depth. It's a lot of information. And in our summer sessions, it's over a very short period of time. So it's really important that you study this material, you review it until you understand it. Okay, and sometimes it takes a couple times or more. Okay, so you have your textbook reading and then your lecture and your videos. Okay. Rights of medication administration, that's going to be a discussion. Please pay attention to what I'm looking for here. Okay. So I'm going to be asking you to get a little creative here. Okay. I want you to create a method to remember the rights of medication administration. And I'm sorry, guys, it's not 5 rights. There's usually more than 5 rights. I believe in your textbook, it gets up to, I want to say, is it 7 rights? So I'm just going to say the rights of medication administration. I want you to stick to the rights that are in your textbook, or you can go even further. Now I believe we're all the way up to 9 rights. I will allow what's in your textbook, or you can go all the way, which is, like I said, I think online we've moved up to 9 rights. Okay. This can be via a mnemonic. This can be a rhyme, a visual aid, or something else. But again, this is a discussion board, so the requirements still apply. So what am I looking for here? 2 things. Okay. And this is the discussion board where I do allow you to upload an audio file, okay, or uploading a video. What I would prefer if it's a video is just do like a YouTube video. YouTube accounts are free, guys. So create a video and just make sure that I have the link or that the link is available on your discussion board because your classmates are going to review it, okay, and that goes into your peer reviews. Got to review 2 people's, okay. So you're going to write a description and you're going to provide the audio or video recording. I will allow either. Okay, this is the reflection criteria. And then we have our responses. Okay, same thing, 100 words each. And then I will be evaluating you on this criteria. So if you do not have both, you will have point deductions, major point deductions. Okay. So this is how I'm evaluating the assignment. Here's an example, okay? Okay, this is, so there's another one, so the dose, and then we also have the right to refuse. So there's a lot of them, guys. Again, if you want to just limit the rights to the ones that are in your textbook, I think there is fewer that we actually have in a training today. And like medication training, it keeps increasing, honestly, guys. So by the time you guys actually start work in the medical field, it could be up to 10. So And that's something else I want you guys to keep in mind. Medicine changes a lot. Medicine is always developing. So just because you learn something and it's one way, it doesn't mean it's not going to change later. So always um, educating yourselves, continuing education, so important. Okay. Here's example peer responses. Okay, but I am looking for you to upload your responses to the discussion. The reason I say I don't want attachments are things that people have to download, and it takes up space on their device to review. I will not ask you guys to review someone that doesn't have the option to view it directly on the discussion board, and I will not review them either. Okay, because again, think about how many students I have to do that for. I don't have room on my devices for that, to download all of that. So please do attach them directly to the discussion post. Again, you can do this. There's lots of software out there that is absolutely free. YouTube is one of them, to where you can record yourself. Okay, so it's not something that would cost you any other money. And I do believe there's even an option to record on the directly onto the responses. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. You hit reply. There's all these options here. Okay, record. Okay, you can upload and record media right there. Then you can record yourself. So again, attachments, not going to be accepted. All right, hopefully that clears that up about that assignment. I'm going to go back. Oh, I'm going to go back to your modules page. And then we just have your Chapter 7 exam. So that'll cover it for this module. Do get ready for next module, guys. It is in depth.